It's Miss Jen here, and I have a story for you. So, our story today is called The Snow Dog. Does anyone know who this is? Right here? It's Clifford the big red dog. And then we have Emily Elizabeth. So, let's see what happens. Clifford, look, said Emily Elizabeth. It had been snowing all night. The yard was covered with snow. Emily Elizabeth put a big scarf on Clifford. They were ready to play. Clifford made a snowball. He rolled it with his nose. Clifford rolled the snowball across the yard. He rolled it down the street. Clifford, where are you going? Called Emily Elizabeth. A few minutes later, she got a big surprise. It was a giant runaway snowball. Oh, Clifford, it's you, Emily Elizabeth said. She watched as Clifford built a supersized frozen snack. What did he make over here? It's a dog bone, a snack for dogs. Soon, the yard was full of snow art. Charlie, Jetta, and Vaz came by. Wow, said Charlie. Those look terrific. There's a snow sculpture contest tomorrow, Jetta told him. You and Clifford should enter. That's a great idea, said Emily Elizabeth. Clifford wagged his tail. Then they headed off for more snow fun. They ice skated, and they built a towering snow fort. Clifford was the lookout. The next day, Emily Elizabeth and Clifford set off for the snow sculpture contest. They stopped to catch snowflakes. Come on, said Emily Elizabeth. We're going to be late. They ran the rest of the way to the park. Then Emily Elizabeth went to sign them up. Clifford lay down and quickly fell asleep. All that running had worn him out. What's happening to Clifford? Where did he go? Emily Elizabeth came back. She looked around. Where could Clifford be? He's probably making a big snowball somewhere, Emily Elizabeth decided. Emily Elizabeth spotted the snow pile next to her. She got to work, smoothing and patting it into shape. 30 minutes passed. The contest was almost over. Has anyone said Clifford? Emily Elizabeth seen Clifford? Has anyone seen Clifford? Emily Elizabeth asked. No, said Charles, but I see the judges. They admired Emily Elizabeth's snow dog. It looks so real, said Mr. Kibble. In fact, it looks a lot like Clifford. Where is Clifford? Wondered Mrs. Diller. Look, you see the smell coming from the cookies? I wonder what's going to happen. Suddenly, Emily Elizabeth's snow sculpture burst open. What a surprise! Clifford was inside. The delicious smells from the table had woken him up. The judges gave out the awards. Jetta's Snow Castle won a ribbon for the prettiest snow sculpture. Charlie's snow skateboard won the most original award. Vaz's snowman was the silliest, and Clifford ate some treats. The judges made a new award just for Emily Elizabeth and Clifford. The hungriest is what it says, hungriest. The big red snow dog wore it proudly. The end. So, what I would like for you guys to answer on the family app is, can you tell me what happened to Clifford when Emily Elizabeth couldn't find him? Where was he? Okay, friends, thanks for listening. Have a good